Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Proton VPN and reset network adapters, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Proton VPN, begin by accessing your computer's settings. Click on the Start menu and select the gear icon to open the settings window. In the settings window, choose the apps option. Once in the apps menu, scroll down to locate Proton VPN in the list of installed programs. Click on Proton VPN, then select the uninstall button that appears. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the uninstallation process. After Proton VPN is removed, it's time to reset your network adapters. Open the Start menu again and type CMD in the search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt from the search results and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type netint IP reset and press Enter. This command will reset your Internet protocol settings. Next, type netsh winsock reset and press Enter. This command will reset the Windows sockets configuration. After that, type IP protocol configuration/release and press Enter to release your current IP address. Following this, type IP protocol configuration/renew and press Enter to request a new IP address. Lastly, type IP protocol configuration/flushtons and press Enter to clear the DNS cache. Once all commands have been executed, close the Command Prompt window. Restart your computer to apply all changes made during this process. After your system has rebooted, your network adapters should be fully reset and functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.